Okay, good morning. I want to get this quick misconception video out before I post the other assignment that I usually do on Tuesday. This is early Tuesday morning. I've been up all night because there's a major misconception in problem number 24 that about 30% of us are making. So I want to go over that real quick before we move on. This was the problem. It was x minus 1 squared equals 4. You all did perfect. You found the square root of both sides, and you got x minus 1 equals plus or minus 2. And then you, in your head or something, I don't know how you did it, but you added 1 to both sides and got x equals 3, and then you went right to x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. That is a misconception. This is what I hate about this distance learning. We'd have had this thing fixed in a heartbeat yesterday, probably within the first 10 minutes of class, but here we have to fix it the next day. So I'm going to give you another example, different numbers to show you what it should have been. So here's an example. Same kind of a problem, different numbers. X minus 3 squared equals 64. So you will find the square root of both sides. And when you do that, you will get x minus 3 equals 8. X minus 3 equals 8. Now, of course, when I say 8, this might be where the problem happened. It's really plus or minus 8. Positive 8 and negative 8. Now, this is what we need to remember. This x is not by itself yet. It still has 3 being subtracted. We have to add 3 to both sides. But we're not adding 3 to both sides to just an 8. It's to 8 and a negative 8. We make this cute little symbol here, but there are really 2 numbers down here. So you're going to add 3 to 8, which will be 11, and you're going to add 3 to negative 8, which would be negative 5. And that's where the misconceptions happen. We're going right to 8 and negative 8. Yes, 8 or 11 and negative 11 is what your mistake would have been. So another way to look at it is, you're not going to like this, but make it x minus 3 equals 8 and x minus 3 equals negative 8. If you keep making that mistake, if we're in a classroom, you made that mistake again, I'd make you write this out 2 times. So you add 3 to get 11, you add 3 to 8 to get 11, you add 3 to negative 8 to get negative 5. So this particular example, the 2 solutions are 8 and negative 5. All right, so that's the misconception that happened. About 30% of us missed that. So I typed in the comments to try and fix most of it, but let's get that cleared up now. So I'll get this under 3 minutes. I know I can go get this hair taken care of and get on with the day. So talk to you later. So just to clarify again, I put it down. When you add 3 to 8, you get 11. And when you add this 3 to 8, you get 11. Add that 3 to 8, you get 11. You add this 3 to negative 8, you get negative 5. So 11 and negative 5 were in. All right.